My name Fashion. I'm gonna show y'all my car collection, bro. First, we got a 2009 6-speed manual Hemi Challenger 5.7 Hemi. It's the older one, yup. Not the newest one, but it's a 6-speed. Then this one of the newest members to the family. Pontiac GTO 6-speed LS2. Real hood vents on the fiberglass. Fiberglass ducktail. Good 6-speed. Yeah, stars on the roof too. Y'all can't see it right now, but this shit clean. And right here we got another GTO. This automatic 5.7 LS1. Fresh transmission just done on it. This motherfucker gets shitty. Then this is just my little drift car right here. Type 1 fiberglass bumper and back bumper. It got low miles, 90,000 miles, 6-speed Miata. 90,000 miles, third generation, 422 out of 3,500 ever made. This shit been sitting, but come on, man.